Welcome back to day 59, From Fear to Confidence on Camera. And friends, today I just want you to know the secret of being confident on camera. Here's your spoiler alert. It's not perfection. It's just practice. One of the things I really want to encourage you is this. And until you can understand this, it's just practice. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes you more confident on camera. Whenever I started recording videos, I was terrified. I was worried about how I looked, what people would think, and if I'd messed up. But the truth is, the more I showed up, the easier it became. Confidence on camera doesn't come before action. It's the result of taking action. Here is your assignment. I want you to record a 30-second clip today. It does not have to be perfect, okay? And it doesn't have to be public either. Just talk about something that you love and watch it back and celebrate what you did right, not what you need to fix. And I want to encourage you this. This is what got me more confident on camera, is whenever I realized that it's just like talking to my best friend on the other side of my telephone. So look in your telephone, talk to your best friend, have that conversation, and let them know exactly what you have your hands on, that you are going to be able to help them work remotely from anywhere. And you can give them their hopes. And you could be that hope dealer and that dream dealer for the people that literally are out there thinking there's absolutely nothing else out there. So give them the encouragement that they need. The first few videos that you're going to do are not supposed to be perfect. They're supposed to help you grow. And that's the only thing that you're going to do. Your fear of confidence on camera is only going to come through growth. The more you do it, the more natural you're going to be. When you're getting ready in the morning, just talk to the mirror. If your kids are coming around, or your husband or your wife is coming around saying, "Was you talking to me?" No, I'm just practicing. Practice makes perfect, and practice makes you more confident. So comment below confident if you're ready to show up this week on camera. Even if your voice is a little shaky, guess what, friends? You've got everything it takes inside of you to move forward. So move forward, soar forward, go forward, and never look back. Get that confidence that you need, because guess what? It's just you, and you're ready to bless other people. So go out and do it, because I have all the faith in you, and God does too. Have a blessed day, friends. I'll see you tomorrow for day 60.